no-contact digital infrared thermometers for women are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and patched up a list of the best no-contact digital infrared thermometers from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. The best product with less than 500 ms response time. This no-contact infrared thermometer measures the temperatures of inanimate objects accurately. Its laser grip precisely reads temperatures from a safe distance of 14.17 inches. It also holds the reading for 15 seconds to help you record the value. With a scale range of -58 at f divided by -50 at c to 1022 at f divided by 550 at c, this thermometer helps you check if your steak inside the oven is cooked to a perfect medium rare or not. The at f divided by at c button enables you to switch between temperature scales and get the desired value on a backlit LED screen. Its auto shut-off feature extends battery life when not in use. With a Class 2 laser and an optical power of 0.9 MW, this no-contact thermometer is the best overall product on the list with a measurement accuracy of 0.1 at c. This no-contact infrared thermometer measures the temperature of mocktails, cocktails, and other drink types. Its advanced infrared laser and sensor give accurate results. It also records and stores the last 10 readings, allowing you to refer to past data. The backlit LED screen changes its color to green, yellow, and red according to the measured temperature. If the value is out of range, you will get a warning beep sound. You can switch from at F to at C and vice versa to read values conveniently. It features a temperature range of 95 at F divided by 35 at C to 109.2 at F divided by 43 at C for people and 32 at F divided by 0 at C to 199.4 at F divided by 93 C for inanimate objects.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.